Hello Tubies, it's your girl Red coming to you with another video. I am showing you my Christmas decorations for 2019. A lot of stuff that I made myself, so I did DIY several things this year. So I hope you like it. So this is my 2019 Christmas home tour. This is my in-home tour, so I will do the outside on another day. So it's not dark yet, so I'll wait until it gets dark to do that on another time. So I don't have like a whole lot. I did not do every single room in my house. I just basically did my living room, my kitchen, and I just added one little thing maybe to my hallway and to my uh, like my office slash tank room slash crafting room area. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and get started. And if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel and click the button again to see upcoming videos. I have a lot more coming to you. So here we go. So we're going to start here with my door. I hope you can see it because like I said, it is still kind of light outside. So I'm sure it's kind of bright. This is the wreath that I made. And if I get here, I have the lights on it. I did make this myself. Let me see. Okay. I'm kind of close to the door, so I don't know if you can see all of it. But it says hope in the inside and it does have lights. A lot of the items I did get from the Dollar Tree. Some of them already had the wreath frame. I did get from Walmart and it was huge already. And I've had the wreath frame for a few years. I've just remade it. I did several different things on it. I just redo it like every year. So I keep the same wreath frame and I just redo it. And it is actually too big. Like when I close my screen door, it's glass. It kind of scratches it a little, but I have to kind of force it in some. So I did make this myself and I did use just the LED lights from the Dollar Tree. So they do have the battery packs and they just go off. And even with them off, you probably can't even tell because it's still bright. And I just added a gold church because I love those. Some bowls, little box. This hope sign was a yard sign from the Dollar Tree. I just took the yard sign off of it. Some bowls. And then behind my door, I have another wreath. I did not make this. This came from Big Lots. I have two of these. You will see the other one on the back door. And I have this. See, it's kind of tight when I close the door. So I do have that one as well. And it says Seasons Greetings. And this, I made this myself. This one doesn't have any bells or anything. It's just a bow with a few ribbons on it. But this one on the front has the bells, and this one did come from the Dollar Tree. I didn't do anything extra to this one at all. I liked it the way it was. So, and then over here we have this area right here. I just decorated it. I just put some garland around it and added some balls, some of the big balls from the Dollar Tree. Little top hat. I think that was so cute, so I added that. Several different little pieces to that. Just something little cute and basic right there. And then we come over here. Have this tree right here. It has lights on it. They blink on and off. And I have this turned on, but I do keep the lights on this year round. And then right here, we have a little Santa and Mrs. Claus sitting in their little chair. And I just keep this on, well, keep this on, keep this sitting down here by the fireplace. And I do have the type of fireplace that doesn't get hot at the bottom. So I just made this right here. This I usually keep on top of my table area where you will see where I have my little Christmas tree. So I just added some pine cones and some balls to this. And set this down here in front of the fireplace right here. And then we come up to this area right here. Added some garland to this in front of my TV area. And this right here, I did make this myself as well. Added some bows, some ribbons, some different little pieces, some bells on here, a big bow. A few different little pieces I got from the Dollar Tree. The ribbon, everything came from the Dollar Tree. This, our garland, I already had. So I just added that on there. And then I do have a big Christmas tree, but I haven't put it up in probably like 2 years. Well, last year I actually put it up outside. I did not put it up in the house. So I just put up my 2 little trees. So on this table right here, I decorated one of my little trees. And I've had this for a few years. And I love my little trees. And my living room is brown and gold. It's really like animal prints. So gold is my color. So I did my little tree in gold. And I do this tree in gold every year. Just added some little decorations, some garland. Basically all gold on this tree with some multicolored lights on it. My gifting area. Not done yet. Right here we have a little Santa man with his light. He moves. Standing behind the gifts. You see him moving. And then over here on my little ottoman area, we have a little bear sitting up here. Have the Santa head. Mop Santa head. Have a little snowman. A little snowman. And then here is one side of my little tree. Now this is my first time doing a white snowflake tree. Now this red is a Christmas tree skirt. On that table, I have a gold Christmas tree skirt. This one, I wanted to do the red one. I use this red one pretty much every year. And this tree, I just did white and red. And it has the green LED lights on it from the Dollar Tree. So this is what one side of the tree looks like. And you come around to the other side of the tree. And it has ribbons that I made from the Dollar Tree. Just different ribbons that I put together and put out. So I just made this little area. We'll wrap around. Added some ribbon around the bottom. Has a glass piece under it with a tray right here. Added some little silver winter berries or whatever you call those little things. And it has red balls on this tree. That is that tree. And up here is another little bitty wreath that I made. And I just stuck it up there on my wall area. Very small wreath that I made. And let's see, I think that's about all in here. I have this little sign. It says for my friends. And this is where I hang my keys for my friends. So anyone can come in here and hang their keys on that. So that is all decorations in there. Now we're going to go to my kitchen area. And this is my table. I have a round table. My kitchen is not very big at all. And the lighting in here is probably very, very bright. Kind of bright, actually. Okay, now you can see it better. We're going to start over here. I got this little red truck towel, fingertip towel. I made this. I just put some balls, some pine cones and stuff in it and made a little flower arrangement in there. Just different little flowers in there. And then on my table, this has candy. It actually still has some Halloween candy in it and some Christmas candies. I just bought one of these, and I actually did that because these glass things, I actually dropped one and broke one. And so I just replaced it with this because I thought that was cute. So it has, on my table, I have these gold table mats that I got from Big Lots, and then I got these from the Dollar Tree. Of course, these from the Dollar Tree, and these I already had. I think they may have came from the Dollar Tree too. And this, I made this, and it actually lights up as well. There we go. If you can see the green lights. This sign right here, it was a yard sign. I just took the yard sign off of it. And I made that. It could have been a 3-tiered tray, but I made it to look kind of like a Christmas tree in the middle. Made a flower arrangement in there. And just sit that on top. So that is what my table area looks like. And then I've already showed you guys my coffee bar area. So it still looks the same. Nothing on that has changed at all. All of that is still the same. And let's see. Just put this up on a door in my hallway, on one of my hallway closets. I've had this for a long, long time. So I had it, so I just stuck it up there. And down my hallway, we come into my office room / craft room / tank room. Say hi to my turtles. I have 3 turtles in here and my millions of fish. And the only thing I did in here was, it's so bright. It's so bright. To me it is. You guys might not see it as bright. But in here, I just put a little reindeer. Is that what that is? Yeah. On this table. Let me turn the light off. Little reindeer up on this table over here in the corner. So it's just sitting there. So that's really all I did in here. Not much else going on. I was going to decorate my tanks. Put maybe some stickers on the glasses or something or whatever. But I don't know yet. May do a few more things. But that is my in-home tour. So I will come back and show you guys the outside in another video. So I hope you guys like it, and thank you very much for watching. Please rate, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and show your love and support. Thank you. Goodbye.